We all have dreams. Maybe it's traveling the world, starting your own business, or simply spending more time with loved ones. Financial independence is the key to unlocking those dreams. It's about having the freedom to make choices without being limited by money. Imagine waking up every morning without the dread of debt or the pressure of living paycheck to paycheck. That's the power of financial independence. You get to design a life you love on your own terms. No more feeling trapped in a job you hate. No more worrying about unexpected expenses. Financial independence gives you options. It empowers you to pursue passions, give back to your community, and leave a legacy for future generations. It's not about being rich. It's about having control over your time and your future. This journey starts with a single step. Let's explore how you can achieve financial freedom and live a life filled with purpose and joy. Inflation is a sneaky thief. It silently erodes the value of your hard-earned money over time. Imagine saving $100 today only to find out it buys you $90 worth of goods next year. That's inflation at work. When prices rise, your purchasing power decreases. This means your savings won't stretch as far as they used to. The things you buy today will cost more tomorrow. This is especially true for essential items like food, housing, and healthcare. If you're not careful, inflation can derail your financial goals. That's why it's crucial to invest your money wisely. Investing helps you stay ahead of inflation by growing your money at a rate that outpaces the rising cost of living. Don't let inflation steal your dreams. Take control of your finances and start investing today. Investing your money is like planting a seed. With time, care, and a little bit of sunshine, it has the potential to grow into a mighty tree. There are many different ways to invest, each with its own risks and rewards. Stocks. Owning stocks means owning a small piece of a company. When the company does well, the value of your stocks can increase. Stocks offer the potential for high returns, but they also come with higher risks. Bonds. When you buy bonds, you're essentially lending money to a government or corporation. In return, they promise to pay you back with interest. Bonds are generally considered less risky than stocks. Real estate investing in property can be a great way to build wealth. As property values appreciate over time, so does your investment. You can also generate rental income from real estate. Remember, investing involves risk. It's important to do your research and understand the risks associated with each investment before you put your hard-earned money on the line. We'll discuss how to minimize risk through diversification in the next section. You don't need to be wealthy to start investing. The power of compound growth means that even small, consistent investments can grow significantly over time. Remember, it's not about how much you have, it's about developing the habit of investing regularly. Here are a few ways to start investing with a small amount of money. Micro-investing apps. These apps allow you to invest your spare change automatically, round up your purchases to the nearest dollar, and invest the difference. Fractional shares. Many brokerage accounts allow you to buy fractional shares of stocks, making it possible to invest in expensive companies with a smaller budget. Employer-sponsored retirement plans. If your employer offers a 401k or similar plan, take advantage of it. These plans often come with employer matching contributions, which is like getting free money. The most important thing is to start somewhere. Even if it's just a few dollars a week, the key is to make investing a regular habit. Section 5. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your portfolio. Diversification is the key to minimizing risk in your investment portfolio. Imagine putting all your money into a single stock. If that stock performs poorly, you could lose a significant portion of your investment. Diversifying your portfolio means spreading your money across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. It also means investing in different sectors within each asset class. For example, don't put all your stock investments in technology companies. A diversified portfolio helps cushion your investments against market volatility. When one asset class is down, another may be up, helping to balance out your returns over time. Think of it like a safety net for your money. Section 6, your financial roadmap, setting goals and budgeting wisely. Investing without a plan is like sailing without a compass. You might end up somewhere, but it probably won't be where you intended to go. That's why it's crucial to set clear financial goals and create a budget that supports those goals. Start by identifying your short-term and long-term financial aspirations. Do you want to buy a house in 5 years, retire early, travel the world? Once you know where you want to go, you can create a roadmap to get there. A budget is simply a plan for your money. It tracks your income and expenses, helping you identify areas where you can cut back and save more. There are many budgeting methods available, so find one that works for you and stick with it. Section 7. The magic of compound growth. Time is your greatest ally. Compound interest is often called the eighth wonder of the world. It's the process of earning interest on your interest, which can lead to exponential growth over time. The longer your money is invested, the more powerful the effect of compounding becomes. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. As it rolls, it picks up more snow, getting bigger and bigger. That's compound growth in action. Your money is like the snowball and time is the hill. The sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even if you can only invest a small amount right now, the magic of compounding will work its wonders over time. Section 8. Tools for success. Resources for managing your money. Managing your finances doesn't have to be complicated. There are many tools and resources available to help you stay organized and on track with your financial goals. Budgeting apps connect to your bank accounts and credit cards, automatically tracking your spending and categorizing your transactions. They can help you identify areas where you're overspending and make adjustments to your budget. Investment tracking websites allow you to monitor your investment portfolio in one place. You can track your asset allocation, investment performance, and more. Online financial calculators can help you with everything from calculating compound interest to determining how much you need to save for retirement. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your finances. Don't be afraid to seek help from a financial advisor if you need it. Section 9. Changing your money mindset. From fear to freedom. Our relationship with money is often shaped by our upbringing and past experiences. We may have developed limiting beliefs about money that hold us back from achieving our financial goals. It's time to shift our mindset from fear to freedom. Instead of viewing money as a source of stress or scarcity, let's embrace it as a tool for creating the life we desire. Believe in your ability to achieve financial independence. Focus on abundance, not scarcity. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Surround yourself with positive influences and seek out mentors who can guide you on your financial journey. Remember, you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to, including financial freedom.